Top 5 Heart-Healthy Foods. Welcome to a journey of wellness and health. Today, we are unveiling the top 5 heart-healthy foods that are not only delicious but are also packed with nutrients to keep your heart beating strong and steady. But before that, please click that subscribe button below and join our community. Let's get started. Berries. Rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are known to lower blood pressure and reduce oxidative stress. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They contain nitrates that improve blood flow and reduce arterial stiffness. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are powerhouses of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They help in reducing bad cholesterol and inflammation. Fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that lower the risk of arrhythmia and atherosclerosis. Including them in your diet can significantly boost heart health. Whole grains. Foods like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are rich in fiber and other nutrients that help in regulating blood pressure and improving overall heart health. Remember, a balanced diet, regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are the keys to a happy and healthy heart. Incorporate these heart-healthy foods into your diet and feel the difference in your well-being.